I've been working for the last week and a half, 2 weeks on the slides, and I'm just crazy excited for you to experience what I'm about to share with you guys. I'm going to talk about funnel consulting and how it's literally become the highest paying part-time job in the world. And I put job in quotation marks because most people aren't working full-time hours. They don't really have set time. Like it's pretty much one of the coolest things I've ever talked about. And I'm so excited to share behind the scenes with you. And there's so many cool things I'm going to be showing you guys during the training webinar. I'm going to show you guys people that have gone through this process. I'm going to show you guys, this is Arthur and Leon. They've gone through this process. They currently charge people $10,000 per month to build out funnels for them. And right now they have 15 clients active and 8 that are on a waiting list. Like, you can do the math on that. Like, this is not some like little opportunity that, you know, maybe you can make a few bucks here and there. Like, there are people making full-time incomes, more than full-time incomes, working super part-time hours. I'm gonna walk you guys through the strategy. I'm gonna walk you guys how it works. I'm gonna show you guys how we're using funnels to get equity in companies. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to structure the funnels. I'm gonna show you guys anyway, I'm excited. I promise you guys this presentation will change your life forever. I'm going to show you guys how to take this simple concept of funnels and turn it into something that can pay you more than you've ever even dreamt about making. And the webinar is going to be fun. It's going to be about 90 minutes, so make sure you block out that time. I'm going to walk you guys through the process, how it works. Some of the core strategies I'm going to be walking you guys through. The first thing I'm going to show you guys, like I said, is how funnel consulting is the highest paying part-time job in the world. Second thing I'm going to show you guys is what I call the results first cookie cutter method that literally will get you unlimited clients. So if you are nervous, like, how do I get clients? I don't even know how to, I'm scared to talk to people. Like, I understand that. And this process, this cookie cutter method makes it simple. And then the last thing I'm going to show you guys, and this is the key, because some of you guys are probably looking at this as like, you know, is this a part-time thing for me? Could it be my future? Could it be my career? And I'm going to help you guys understand there's this little shift in your thinking you got to change. And if you do that, you can easily shift from making 6 figures a year to 6 figures per client per year. Like I showed you guys before, Arthur and Leon have 15 clients. Other people have even more than that. And so you got to kind of figure out what makes sense for you. Like, how much do you want to make a year? And then maybe that means I need 1 client, or maybe I need 2, or maybe I need 3. But you don't have to go and work insane amounts of hours and time. You just figure out what it is you need to make, and then find out how many clients you need to make that, and it makes the process really fun. So anyway, I'm totally excited. I've been geeking out on this, working super hard, because I know this presentation is going to change your life, and I want you to be on it. So make sure you're not late. Make sure you show up on time. Have a pad of paper, have your notes out. Be prepared, because I'm going to be giving it my all. I'm going to make sure you do as well. And if you do that, I promise you, you're going to come with some ideas and some thoughts, and you're going to leave with a blueprint and a business model, and you'll understand 100% how to execute on it, and how you can start using funnel consulting and become a funnel consultant. And like I said, it is literally the highest paying part-time job in the world, and that's what we're going to be talking about. So I will see you on the webinar. I'm excited. I hope you're excited, and I'll talk to you guys again very, very soon. Bye.